when it became known about Intel's cooperation to design a processor with its archrival AMD, many felt that it was very much like human sacrifice, dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria, to cite Bill Murray's comic genius. However, strange as it may seem, the collaboration of Intel with AMD to integrate Radeon RX Vega Sunnyvale graphics core into the same chip encapsulation as its 8th processor of the General Core series, makes it a powerful combination punch 1-2 for thin and light notebooks. Now known as Kaby Lake G, or more officially as the 8th of IntelGeneration core processor with AMD Radeon RX Vega M graphics, the chip offers part of Intel's fastest quad-core mobile CPU technology, combined with the Radeon Vega kernel AMD GPU and together with 4 GB of fast HBM2 High Bandwidth Memory. The chip connects these various elements with something Intel calls an EMIB embedded multi-die interconnect bridge, which provides a high-speed data transfer between all its high-performance subsystems. Aimed at thin, lightweight premium laptops, as you can imagine, OEM partners are learning to develop systems based on this dynamic duo. And it turns out that Dell was one of the first to come out with a new machine based on it, giving way to CES 2018 last week. The Dell XPS 15 2-inch-1 is a complete replay of Dell's successful XPS 15 platform, now thinner and lighter with a brighter, 400 nit, high-contrast IGZO display and 360-degree hinges with full turn tied with its superb legacy mechanized aluminum chassis and hybrid carbon fiber construction in the palm rest area. The new 4.5-pound XPS 15 2-inch-1 is safe, but as hot hardware can attest with a short of practice time, your Intel-AMD hybrid power plant should also offer serious games and multimedia chops as well. In fact, at CES in Las Vegas last week, Dell allowed select members of the press to take a quick spin around the test track with the machine in Square Enix's Rise of the Tomb Raider. This game engine offers excellent visual effects and is also capable of running in the latest DirectX 12 rendering mode.